7 settlement kodi yavde. All settlements give. Whenever you want, please name the settlement. Give the date and give. Whatever. Yavad bek kodi.
My lords,
Memo withdrawal has been filed.
Huh?
Memo withdrawal has
Withdrawals in yavde ella kodi.
my lords, it's a
Kindly have it at 2:30.
All withdrawals at 2:30. Give it.
my lords, it's a matrimonial dispute.
Wait. So all of the fresh matters, please give. Whatever it is, give. And naale tagolakagutta. Monday illa. Monday already 300 is there. Give it. Tuesday we'll see. Give it. Give it. Give all the memos. No 2:30. Yes. Aakli bit. Kodi. Monday 300 ಇದೆ. Monday ಯಾವ fresh matter ಕೇಳಬೇಡಿ. No fresh matter on Monday. Please give. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. Give sir. All the memos you give.
That's old matter.
No Monday at all. Please give.
That's the petitioner is the petitioner is age old matter.
No, beyond 300 I can't take on a Monday. Please give.
Your lordship, we are seeking
Wait.
for CBI investigation.
Wait. Yes. ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಕೊಡಿ. Give all the memos. And please go and comply after giving the memo. If it doesn't come, then you tell me. Yes. So what? ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕೊಡಿ. ನೀವು ಕೊಡೋದು ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. FR ಬರ್ಲಿ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಅದು. Whatever it is. Give sir. Give it sir. Give all the fresh matters. Please give. ಕೊಡಿ. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. And that's not my problem. Give it. Yes. Comply ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ. Comply ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. It's not a fresh matter. It's pending matter. Yes. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. It will come from Tuesday. Notice not issued cases I am posting. Give it. Yes.
The FIR has been registered against age old persons, my lord.
Give
I
sir.
moved the
You have
memo.
given a memo.
Please, my lord.
Please. Yes.
The
My
date
lords.
may be given for
Pending
next week, my
matters
lord.
also ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
There is a vacation.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
My
No
lords,
notice, no interim order. We'll get them all posted. Give. No problem.
my lords, it's
Kodi sir.
my lords, it's a
Give all the memos.
it's a matrimonial dispute.
Maybe sir.
The
So
wife
what?
has filed a counter complaint, my lords.
So what? Yes.
My lord, there is a vacation of stay.
Covered judgment.
Next week. Yes.
My lord, there is a vacation of stay.
Whatever. Special bench matters all next week.
Covered.
My lord, proclamation was issued against the petitioner.
No problem. Good.
Today the matter is before the trial.
Why proclamation? You have not gone before the court. Why indulgence? Give it next week. Yes.
My lord,
Petition, my lord.
Withdrawal, please give. No date, sir. Fresh matter. Bharat.
My lord, there is a vacation of stay, my
My
lord.
lord, fresh matter.
Give, sir. Give all the memos. Tomorrow is Saturday, no sitting. So please
It's
give.
for vacating of stay, my lords.
Vacating stay, please give wherever it
My
is.
lords, the petitioner has done a double
Vacating,
transaction
vacating stay. The kodi.
on Tuesday, my lords.
No.
My lords,
I am fixing the dates. 12 matters in a day. Ashtene
lords
agado.
have been paying.
Ashtene agado. If you want to give it, give it. Yes.
One respect.
My lord,
No date, sir. It will come. Yes.
My,
Matter pertaining to the matter which are supposed to be tagged along with the matter which is posted tomorrow.
Parale, sir. Kodi. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow you have given the date, my lord.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow in the sense on Monday, my lord.
We'll see. Give it. Yes.
my lord, it's a part.
Give all the memos.
IA has been filed for the renewal of.
Monday, nothing. Please give. Monday, the board is full. No matters on
My
Monday.
lord,
Please
it's a
give.
fresh matter. My lord, it was already moved.
Kindly have it on Wednesday, my
No,
lord.
no, you don't know. Pending matter.
Yeah, my lord, fresh matter.
Pending fresh.
Fresh matter,
I'll
my
give
lord,
it, yes.
2025 only now.
Kodi,
matters,
kodi.
my lord.
Please give.
Very
My lord,
Go
urgent,
and
my lord.
comply. It will come. Yes.
Summarily actually
Go
leave
and
my
comply. It will come.
Already
My
Yes.
lords, it's a
my
part.
lord.
My lords, it's a part heard matter.
Parted matter. Kodi.
My lords, it was ordered to list on first week of June. It is not getting
We'll
listed.
see. We'll see.
IA has been
Madam,
filed
ಇದು
for
part
the renewal of the passport, my lord.
Give all the memos, sir. No, 2:30 ಯಾವ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
Moving under an FR number.
Give all the memos. No problem, sir.
My lord, this memo was moved on Tuesday. It was listed on Monday, my lord. Numbering has been done, compliance has
It
been
will
done,
come,
fresh
sir.
matter.
If you
my
have
lord.
complied
It may be
will come,
taken
sir.
up on Monday, my
No
lord.
date, sir. It will come. Give it. Monday.
My lord,
Monday,
Told
my
you
lord.
300. Which language should I
My
tell
lord,
you?
we had
Which
moved it on-
language can I tell you? Beyond that, I can't take.
madam.
My lord, we had
You
already
may be
moved it on-
superhuman. I am not superhuman. Don't worry. Yes, give it. Yes.
There was a direction of your lordship.
Ma'am, separated.
Hey, kodi, sir. Memo kodi. Give all the memos, please.
Moving under an
My
FR
lords,
number.
Give all the memos.
There was a My lords,
No dates in any matters, fresh matter will come, give it.
my lords, is the matter pertaining,
Give all the memos,
my lords,
whatever it is, give.
My lords,
All the memos. Please give, madam.
my lords.
Pending matter. Speedy disposal. Then? Speedy disposal kodi ಅದು ಹಾಕಿ.
My lords, is a matter pertaining to Foreigners Act and
My lords.
the petitioner has been hiring for
Give it,
orders
madam.
from abroad and they've been overstaying in
No problem.
India,
Give
my
it.
lord. Please, it may be heard soon.
Give it, give it.
ಸಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ನನ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ.
ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ವೈಲೆನ್ಸ್
ಓ, ಅದು ಬಾಗಿಲ್ದು
ಅದು
ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು.
ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ
ನೋ ನೋ ನೋ.
4 ಸಲ
ಅದ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ
ಯಾಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಬಾಗಿಲು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ?
ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೊಡೆದಾಟ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೆಂಡ್ತಿನ
ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ನಾನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್.
My lords, one submission, my lords.
Give all the memos.
My lords, it's a traffic violation.
Whatever, sir, please give, sir.
On exchequer, my lords.
ಈ
My lords,
ಮೆಮೊ
my-
ಬೇಡವಾ?
my lords,
ಮೆಮೊ
my
ಕೊಡಲ್ವಾ?
exam has been,
ಮೆಮೊ
scheduled on
ಕೊಡಲ್ವಾ?
24th, my lords.
ಕೊಡಿ ಮೆಮೊನ.
Any date before
No
24th,
dates,
my
sir.
lords.
No date.
My lord,
Pending, no dates. Give it.
my lords.
My lords,
ಕೊಡಿ.
one submission, my lords.
2:30 I'm seeking.
Give it, sir. Atrocities Act, 230 ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
My lords,
2:30 I'm moving memo. My lord,
Why?
family, one family members.
No
three of them
urgency, yes.
have not
My lord.
committed suicide.
My lord.
Against the
Suicide,
financial- Suicide they have committed, owing to some financial constraint.
Hmm.
The financial institution has been.
Secure
made
bail,
a-
sir. Yes, yes.
The financial institution made-
Secure bail, sir.
Past 10 days.
Secure bail. I will not grant a stay in 306 matters unless charge sheet is filed. Charge sheet is filed?
Not yet,
No, I am not going to grant stay. So secure bail.
My lord,
before vacation has been listed.
No problem, ಕೊಡಿ.
my lord,
Vacation tax listed as.
So what, sir? We listed in 20 to 77 ಕೊಡಿ.
My lord.
ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ಗೆ? ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ಗೆ?
Has been.
Why you did not attend the trial, sir? Oh, seriously. So why is indulgence? ಬರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ.
my lord. Small-
2:30, my lord.
My lord, petition number 1 is death.
Dead ಆ?
Death ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹಾ.
Petition number 3 is marriage ಇದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ urgency ಇದೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ. Yes.
Tuesday,
No, but-
Wednesday.
No, ಕೊಡಿ. Yes. Call the cases, madam. It will come, madam.
My lord, the pending matter. The
Pending
respondent-
matter, please give.
Charge is to be framed on 24th, my lord. Petition become infructuous.
Pending matter.
Pending matter, but the matter has not reached, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೀಚ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೇ ಆದ್ರೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನೀವ್ ಏನ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಬರಲ್ಲ.
Notice
my lords, one
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ
submission.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Yes.
be taken on 23rd,
Will-
Tuesday, my lord.
I will list it.
My lords, kindly, the dispose of matter,
Hmm.
the respondents made an undertaking before this court to pay maintenance to the petitioner, but they're not paying any maintenance. The petitioner 90 years old, my lords.
Yeah,
Lord, the
take it on Tuesday, madam.
My lord, the
Matter, like-
respondent committee is not allowed to trade from past 4 years.
No problem. Give it. Yes.
The heavy loss to the business.
Very good. Yes.
For 2:30, my lords.
Why?
Charge is being framed on Monday, my lords. Loan
Huh.
has, it's a CBI matter. Loan has been repaid. Declaration of fraud also has been set aside.
Charges frame date ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ.
On Monday, they said
Pending matter.
fresh.
Come on Tuesday, my
My
lord.
lords, one submission, my lords. DA matter, my lords. My lords had,
Disproportionate assets.
ಹೌದು.
ಏನು urgency, sir?
My lords, 7A, my lords had quashed that matter, my
So
lords,
what,
based
sir?
on that same Mahazar and all, they have initiated.
No problem, sir. ಕೊಡಿ sir. Yes. Yes.
Next one, fresh matter, still number 1.
Yes, in terms of the memo. Next,
Still number 2,
notice.
still number 3.
Bharat S. Rao. Where is the charge sheet, sir? Huh? Not filed. List after 4 weeks. Registry is directed not to list the matter prior to the expiry of 4 weeks. Next, pendency of this petition will not come in the way of further proceedings before the concerned court.
4,
You can't do like this. Don't be negligent. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಹಾಕದಲ್ಲ. Yes.
still number 4.
The petitioner to serve on the counsel who represents the respondent in the trial. ನೀವೇನಾ?
I filed.
Learned counsel, Nandish Patil.
Nandish Patil.
Nandish Patil accepts notice for the for the respondent registry to print the name of so and so. List the matter on, what is the next date?
It has to be tagged along with.
Tag along with so and so. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ನೀವೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇ ಇದೀವಿ ಎಲ್ಲ.
List the matter on 2nd July. Further proceedings before the concerned court shall remain state till the
They
next
make
date.
one
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ already stay.
But my lord, it's an admitted transaction. There's
No
a
problem. We'll
there's a
dismiss
sale
it on
deed which
second,
has
no
already
problem.
been
Second
executed.
fresh matters list.
Please, all 4 matters, my lord. I'll
All
give the
4.
number to the court.
We'll dismiss all 4 if he has no case.
Please.
We'll allow all 4 if he has a case.
Oh, please.
Next,
Settle matter, your lordship. Kindly posted to date for the report settlement.
For
Settle-
report
settle-
settlement.
Yes, Lord.
Counsel for the petitioner submits parties to the list have entered into a settlement to report settlement next week, 25th. Yes, 25th. Next.
6,
Learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the respondent
No.
cow slaughter.
My lord, connected matter already stated.
Kodi, number. Number 7, who is in possession?
I am in possession.
In the meantime, next.
8,
That's I appeal for the petitioner, my lords. The trial court, my lords, has wrongly passed an order in defamation case, my lords, directing police investigation, my lords. Which is to be
Only
quashed.
illegal, yes.
Please,
The one HCGP 2 emergent notice in the meantime, yes.
but it's FIR.
Stay application ಅಲ್ಲಿ
It's
ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
I'll file.
ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ?
Please, read.
Yes. One HCGP 2 emergent notice. Next.
9,
2, 3, 4, 85.
Lord, learned magistrate has not taken cognizance against the petitioners.
ಬಿಡಿ ಹಂಗ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits
Filing
that
dispensation IA as well as interim, application for interim
terms of
order.
the vacation of the interim order.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟೇಗೆ.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಸರ್? ಯಾವ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳಿ?
Serial 9,
85.
85.
ಯಾರು ನೀವು?
I am for the petitioners.
Who are the
Accused number 2, 3 and 4.
Correct. Magistrate is not.
Cognizance is not taken cognizance.
ಮತ್ತೆ
Cognizance is
ಯಾಕೆ
taken against
petition
1
ಯಾಕೆ
and
ಬೇಕು?
5. They sent the notices given to by the pending.
Yes. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the learned magistrate, while taking cognizance, has not taken cognizance against these petitioners accused number 2, 3 and 4. And has taken cognizance only qua the husband accused number 1. In that light, no further proceedings, the FIR itself would not survive against these petitioners. Therefore, the petition stands disposed, reserving liberty to the petitioner to knock at the doors of this court in the event of need. Yes, next.
10,
in respect of secured assets, partition deed ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ that's the reason.
In the meantime, next.
My lords, the now loan, I have completely paid up the loan.
Stay badwa. Next.
11,
69 in the meantime, next.
12,
Petitioners, my lords. My lords, similarly placed.
Account closed.
Account is closed.
Account closed, it's a matter of evidence, sir, always.
My lords, in this matter, my lords, he was not the director, my lords.
Kodi, tag ಮಾಡೋಣ ಕೊಡಿ. Tag along with so and so, same order.
Please.
Dheeraj, notice.
13,
Panel advocate of the bank,
You are the advocate.
advocate who has given legal opinion, my lords.
In the meantime, next.
14,
20%.
20%.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಟ್ತೀರಾ?
Lord,
ಕಟ್ಟಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗಲೇ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಟ್ತೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ? ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಟೈಮ್.
Lord, we are not liable first.
No, that is the matter in appeal. Don't tell me all this. Mandate of the statute, I will not hear it now saying you are not liable to pay anything. When will you pay?
10% at least,
Bargain alla madam idu. It's a statutory mandate.
2 months.
2 months alla illa. I'll give you 4 weeks time. I'll post it. By then you deposit that and come here. Otherwise I'll dismiss it. List the matter on
You know, senior
15th
citizen
July.
or-
In the event the 20% amount is not deposited before the concerned court, the petition would be dismissed.
Financial crisis, 64-year-old.
That is not the criteria. Statute will not look into financial crisis, your age. Well, you are convicted now. If you want the sentence to be suspended under 148, it is 20%. Yes, next.
15,
A2 to A5, in 85. Yeah, is it-
Apologies, 9th July, there is a matter. Till then, at least not to.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
Trial court.
DD ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ. Yes.
His case is that money has to be paid. He also files a suit for specific performance.
In the meantime, next.
17,
It's appeal for the
The
petitioner.
petitioners register the crime against the complainant at the outset. Looking into the crime that is registered by the complainant after 3 days, the impugned crime is registered against the petitioners as a counterblast. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay. Yes, next.
Grateful.
18,
Rajshekar. 20%, ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಟ್ತೀರಾ?
The petitioner's wife is suffering from the.
No,
cancer.
sir. You all don't tell me all this. When will you pay? I will give you time. Section 148 will not say petitioner's wife is suffering, husband is suffering, nothing. You are convicted, you want the sentence to be suspended, mandate of the statute.
He is suffering from the very
No, sir, nothing.
serious
No, sir, nothing.
mental disorder. And also
Sir,
he
yes.
lost his job.
4 weeks. List after 4 weeks. Next.
19,
Essential Commodities Act.
Please, as far as this petition is concerned, direct as accused number 4, he had retired in the year 31/5/2014. The offence is from 2015 to 23. Now based only on the confession.
Which page do I get that he had retired?
I have retired, my lords.
Which page do I get the evidence of retirement?
Evidence of retirement, my lords. One is of course in the bail orders of the trial court, my lords.
And forget that, sir. You show me a document that you had retired in 2014, because I did not find a document.
Please, my lords, it's
Yes,
Dharmapal Ambor, page number 84.
Yenadu?
Is the confession of the co-accused, my lords.
You forget that, sir. Show me a document that you have retired, and then you're begging the question.
Please, my lords.
There is no document, correct?
They have not produced it, my lords.
Then produce it, sir. List on next Monday in the fresh matters list.
Please.
Yes. Heard the learned senior counsel appearing for the petitioner. List next Monday for production of a document to evidence that the petitioner had retired in the year 2014 and the transactions have happened between 2015 to 2023. Yes. 29th.
29,
29th, sorry, 29th.
20,
Some civil identical matter, similar matter. Stay.
Car loan.
ಗೊತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಲ ನಾನೇ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದೆ 9 ಲಕ್ಷ. ನಿಸಾನ್ ಸನ್ನಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ.
21,
ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Three-
22, sir.
Please, ma'am. 306 is offense, my lord. Abatement.
Criminal petition 7753.
Awesome.
Sorry?
Maternal uncle is deceased, my lord.
One moment.
Please. Page number 23 is a complaint.
One moment, sir. 108, correct, yes. Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ sir.
Learned additional HCGP to secure the investigation papers and place it before the court on the next date, 29th.
Till then, my lord.
No, sir.
Please.
Yes.
23,
Taken cognizance in-laws concern. 490, 490.
Accused number 823485. Yes, next.
Stay the question.
24,
Balkrishna. Councilor. 1 HCGP to emergent notice. Next.
25,
24.
Where are you, sir?
Sir, my apologies, my lord. But he was arraigned as accused, my lord, only based on the confessional statement.
No problem, we'll see. Learned HCGP to HCGP accepts notice for the respondent, secure instructions and make submissions. 29th, fresh matters.
Grateful.
25, A227, 85. Yes.
Grateful.
26,
85 of the.
82345, stay. Husband, no stay.
Please, ma'am.
85. Next.
27,
Notice.
But the counterblast proceeding against 130, my lord, the respondent accused is convicted a day before yesterday for 138 proceedings.
So what?
But this is a counterblast afterthought against the.
One HCGP to emergent notice returnable by 2nd. Yes, next.
28,
For the petitioners.
The
Your Honor.
meantime, next.
9,
The petitioners claim to be the bona fide purchasers of the property are arrayed as accused number 2 and 3. At the time of purchase, the property was, there was no problem with the property, but the fraud has sprung at a later point in time by the complainant registering a complaint against all these persons, including the present petitioners, the bona fide purchasers. In the light of the aforesaid circumstance, there shall be an interim order of stay of further investigation quay these petitioners to the next date of hearing. Next.
30,
The parties to the list are before the civil court in OS 7475 of 2024 on the same set of facts. Next. States, sir.
31,
Yes.
Petitioners are the parents of the accused.
Husband is not there?
Husband is not before your lordship, only parents.
85 on loss. Yes, next.
32,
Heard the learned senior counsel Gopal Swamy appearing for the petitioner. A transaction that takes place on 1/1/2012 and ends on 31/12 and 31/12/2017. A complaint is registered on 14/5/2026 without a speck of explanation for delay in registering the complaint. In the light of the said circumstance, permitting further proceedings would run foul of the judgment of the apex court in the case of Chanchalapati Das versus State of West Bengal, 2023 SSC online SC page 650. There shall be an interim order. One HCGP to emergent notice. Next.
53.
DV Act husband.
Please, madam.
Notice. Yes.
Madam, on submission after.
No
the-
way.
the-
No way. Yes.
madam,
Husband.
Divorce petition.
Maybe. Yes.
After the-
Husband no stay, sir. Yes.
34.
On submission, no, notice to respondent number 2 to 4.
Yaudರಲ್ಲಿ?
33 ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Notice.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Yes.
2 to 4 ಗೆ dispensation memo.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೆಮೊ ಹಾಕಿ.
ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ.
R1 ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ notice.
ಹಾ?
R1 ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ notice. 2 to 4 dispensation.
ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್ ಮೆಮೊ. One emergent notice. Counsel to the petitioner files a memo seeking dispensation of issuance of notice to respondents 2 to 4. Then KVAT jurisdiction. How can you appear even before notice is issued?
Which one?
34.
We found out not.
Found out. I am seeing every day. It's not a KVAT jurisdiction, sir. There is no provision of KVAT here.
No, we not.
Notice,
filed
Amata, then how are you appearing? Just because you found out senior counsel is engaged or submissions are made. In every case it's happening. It's not a good practice.
At least,
You're creating a jurisdiction that the law does not permit.
not, we will only argue if your lordship permits us.
No, adu ella keltira. But everything is ready. Objections will also be ready, ilva?
Illa.
Yes.
Documents.
Why have you downloaded files, sir?
My lord,
And when did you return the laptop, sir?
No, that's my own laptop which I'm permitted.
Then
to- no,
100% crime.
Just
Yes.
one submission. That's my laptop which I'm carrying every day to work because I've attended seminars. I carry that laptop for seminars. There was a seminar in that week. My lord, if your lordship sees the complaint, there is no offense which comes under 66, which becomes an offense under 43. There is no case that I've taken it, given it to somebody, misused it, nothing.
We'll see. When was the crime registered?
April.
April month.
Notice madilla.
Oh, I'm sorry.
April month.
Learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the respondent to secure the investigation papers and place it before the court. The learned counsel so and so, who is present before the court on looking at the cause list, is accepts notice the respondent. The learned senior counsel Dhyan Chinnappa is also heard in the matter for the respondent. Objections, if any, by the next date. List the matter on 2nd July in the fresh matters list.
Great.
Yes.
5.
Who is in possession? 35. The petitioners are before the court, before the civil court in OS 3462 of 2026, filed by respondent,
No, my lord. Petitioner's mother.
on the, and the petitioner claims to be in possession. The offense that is now alleged is the one punishable under section 329 of the BNS 447 of the earlier regime, the IPC. If the petitioners are in possession of the property, it can hardly be said that they have trespassed into their own property. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay. Quay the petitioner, further investigation. Next.
36.
Notice, one HCGP to emergent notice.
37.
Praveen. Who is Praveen? No representation on behalf of.
My apologies, 37.
What are you searching on your mobile?
My loss, I was wondering my case.
You are
is 30
wondering?
No, my loss.
Huh?
I got confused, my loss. I thought my cell number is 34.
Yes.
My loss, in this matter, my loss had already granted stay of
Kodi.
further investigation.
Yes.
My loss, I have produced. my loss.
174 non-compliance, both the matters, so 37, 38 in the meantime. Next.
My loss, I have engaged the senior counsel, not senior.
Thank you, sir. Yes, in the meantime, stayed. Next.
39.
What's your name?
Prashant Kamal.
Your Resraki, not the senior counsel. Yes, next.
38, same.
Same, both. Yes, next.
39.
829, trespass.
In the meantime, next.
Please.
40, tag with page 12, same order. Next.
41.
41.
Husband illa,
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ.
ಆಯ್ತು, obliged.
Yes, 48, 498. Next.
42.
MMDR, the learned HCGP is directed to accept notice, secure instructions and make submissions on the next date. List the matter on 29th, fresh matters. Next.
43.
3 and 4, 85. Next.
Only allegation.
ಸ್ಟೇ ಬೇಡವಾ? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಸ್.
44,
My lords, by oversight, my lords.
ಓವರ್ಸೈಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yes, my lords.
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
Annexure B is the complaint, my lords, pertaining to crime number 24, my lords.
Correct.
We had filed two quashing petitions, my lords, for 19 and 24. The complaint of that FIR has come in this and this has come in that.
ಈಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ.
Yes, my lords. I
We
will
have
do
to,
that.
Wednesday, fresh list.
Yes,
Next,
my lord.
yes.
45,
Husband, no. All else, yes.
46,
85, petitioner accused number 5, yes.
47,
Is it? ಆಗುತ್ತಾನೆ?
85,
2, 3, 4, 85, yes.
47,
ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್,
48,
47 stay ಆಯ್ತು ನೀವು, 48, yes.
38,
ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಯಾರು?
I appeal.
ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು?
That's 48.
Both of you are appearing in 48, then? 7970. You must be in the second list. Yes.
That's 460.
The petitioner is facing charges of forgery for an incident that took place in the year 2007. The complainant, having lost limitation to file a civil suit, has sought to set the criminal law into motion of the document of the year 2007 in the year 2022 in the light of the said delay and it being unexplained, there shall be an interim order stay of further proceedings. Alva?
Suit ಇದೆ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Interim order stay of further proceedings square the petitioner to the next date of hearing. Suit ಯಾವಾಗ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
19, 52 of 19.
Anyway, yes. Number ಹೇಳಿ?
OS 52 of 19.
Vijay, ಇದು ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡಿ. OS 52 of 19 parties to the lesser before the same set of facts. Yes, next.
49,
My lords, petitioner hearing is
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ?
without getting sanction, my lords.
In the meantime, next, yes.
50,
Statement.
Thank you.
Husband 498, a notice.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಲಾಡ್ಜ್.
ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಲಿ.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಎಷ್ಟು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗದ ಆಮೇಲೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಲಾಡ್ಜ್, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ filed, it has been acquitted. Then second charge sheet, complaint has been made. A vague allegation has been made. No other.
Early, we may quash it, but no stay. Yes, one HCGP, 2 emergent notice returnable by the 6th, 7th of July. Interim order, the petitioner would be considered on the next date. In the event there would be no appearance, this court would grant an interim order. Yes.
My lords, if I make, it was 46, I apologize, in list 1 itself.
46, A5.
A5, alleged
Cheta.
paramour.
Stay ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಯ್ತು madam.
Great.
Yes. Paramount ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes.
list number 2, fresh matter, still number 1,
ಆನಂದ್ ಬೀರಣ್ಣವರ್. ಕೊಡಿ, covered 188 judgment. JJ Act 188. ಇಲ್ದರ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ if you don't get the judgment. No stay. No pass over. Yes. If you don't, I will stay ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹಂಗಾರೆ dismiss ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. If you don't get the judgments that are there, I am going to dismiss it or not grant interim order. Please do your homework and come. Please. Yes. Pass over. Yes. 10 judgment ಇದೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. Yes.
number 2,
171G.
Yes.
ಕೊಡಿ.
So there are two complaints filed on the same set of facts.
ನೀವು ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್ 171Gಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್. ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
This is the case where the
2 complaints. 2 complaints ಬೇಡ, 171G ಕೊಡಿ.
lordships have.
ನಂದೇ 10 ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ.
ಇದು ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಯಾವ್ದು?
This is the,
ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದು? 171G ನ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನದ?
they have invoked 171G
ಮತ್ತೆ?
and apex court has said that calling somebody like this is not an offense.
ಬಟ್ 171G ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್? ಎಸ್ ನಾಗರತ್ನವ್ರದಲ್ವಾ?
Paragraph 19.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು?
In the first case.
Where is your file? iPad ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
iPad ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಬರೀ FIR ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ.
FIR
FIR ಒಂದೇ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು, ಕರ್ದಿರೋದಷ್ಟೇ, ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್.
2.1 will not survive. That has been transferred to other police stations.
ಅದನ್ನ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
That is a
That's what
challenge. That is there.
stay was granted, stay was granted,
Number 2 is the same case.
same complaint, one by the election officer, one by the private respondent.
Same content.
Same content.
Yes.
2.1 can be disposed of. For it.
Disposed of as unnecessary.
Yes.
Two complaints, two separate FIRs on the same
Then
allegation.
why dispose of unnecessary? ನಾಳೆ ದಿನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು.
Transferred.
Yes.
I'm also there.
Yes, sir. We'll finish it. The petitioner is before this court seeking the following prayer. The petitioner gets embroiled in a crime number so and so for offence punishable under section 171G. The entire issue has sprung from the complaint so registered, one by the election officer and one by a private person. Both the contents of the complaint are the same, therefore I deem it appropriate to notice the said complaint. The complaint reads as follows. If the contents of the learned counsel Venkatesh Dalwai appearing for the petitioner submits that the issue in the list gets completely answered by what the apex court has held in Harinandan Singh versus State of Jharkhand. The apex court has held as follows. If the complaint so registered against the petitioner and the crime that has sprung pursuant to the registration of the complaint is considered on the bedrock of the principles laid down by the apex court in the aforequoted judgment, permitting further investigation in the case at hand would become an abuse of the process of the law and run foul of the said judgment. In that light, the petition deserves success. Allowed, quashed. Yes. Next.
3.
This is a matter of forcibly impleading the shall to the Congress party.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಇದು ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್?
Kindly pass over, madam.
Pass over.
4.
Honor, the petitioner has filed application on section
Sorry?
482 of CRPC for
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೈಕ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೈಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮೈಕ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬನ್ನಿ.
for causing the proceedings in CC number 29790 of 23 pending before the Honorable 47 ACM Bangalore.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ?
Content. Cause the,
ಕಾಸ್ಟಾ?
to cause the proceedings.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿ?
The petitioner has challenged the initiation of proceedings in the said CC number 29790 of 23. He has the same was pending, registered
ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ನಿಮ್ದು?
7606.
ಅದು ಮೂರನೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್.
Third list.
76 ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೇಡಮ್? ನಾನು ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5. 4 ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, 4 ಅದ್ಯಾರೋ ಬಂದು ಹೋದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಈಗ. ಎಸ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಸಾರಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಎಸ್.
The petitioner has filed an application at section 482 of CRPC for.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಓದ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ? FIR ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ? What is the offense?
The respondent has not furnished the landed property and criminal case pending against him in the election before the affidavit filed before the election officer Dharwad. Therefore.
ನೀವು ಇದು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲದವರೆಗೂ ಇದೇ ಕೇಸ್ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I can't permit you to argue till the cows come back.
I will file detailed objection next date of hearing, sir.
Detail objection ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ?
Next date is.
ನೀವು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಗ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್? ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
I will file detailed objection next date of hearing.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಹಾಕಿ. List after 4 weeks, interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing. Next.
5.
I'm appearing for the petitioner in this.
Hello, I'm appearing for the petition. I'm filing a memo of.
How many of you are for petitioner?
He's filing his NOC.
NOC.
Yes, retirement.
A name may
You have
be
entered appearance? Who has entered appearance?
We are entering our appearance. It will be a joint wakalatnama, Mr. Kamaluddin Ahmed.
Already filed wakalat?
We have our file. Yes.
The
along
learned
with,
counsel of the
Prakash.
petitioner
Uday Prakash M files a memo for retirement. The learned counsel Kamaluddin is said to have entered appearance, registry to print the name of so and so as appearing for the petitioner. Yes. Mediation Gogita.
It failed, my lords. Mediation Gogita had failed.
The matter was posted for mediation and.
It is over. Mediation has
My lords,
failed.
and again, my lords, there was a mocking session also by the respondent.
No problem. Mediation has failed. Petition is also bound to fail.
My
Straight
lords,
away defamatory. Absolutely. Last time itself, I told you.
my lords, I fairly agree. That's my lord's observation on it. If I may make certain submission in this
Please.
matter.
Yes.
Sir, with due respect, sir,
Where's your file?
I have my
Yes.
I have my file. So with due respect, sir, I truly understand that my learned friend's client has been, like, he has not, like the words, what he had sent has not gone well. But this is completely a political agenda. He has given a view on it. Those two words cannot be termed as, like, defamation, or he has not made any such statement which is defamatory. My lords, I'm making a humble submission that if my lords can indulge into matter and try
Of
to
course I am.
advance-
Yes. What am I doing?
My lords, for mediation, it can be
Mediation
posted
is
as-
already failed. What else can happen?
because again, in the mediation also, the things have not gone properly. I will
Allu
personally-
Galati madadra ಬಂದು
The thing is, my client's request was to have a tender and apology, which was bluntly refused by the petitioner hearing.
Okay, that's all.
It was bluntly
It
refused by the
closes.
petitioner.
If you want that settlement, you tender it.
My lords, what my instructions are, before my client have like tendered an apology, there was a mocking session had started from my learned friend's
You
client.
forget about all that. Let bygones be bygones. Even
my
now,
lord-
if you want to tender an apology, I will accept it, close it, he will accept it.
My lords, if the matter can be passed over for some time, I will take instructions
All
from
right,
my senior,
yes.
and then accordingly, I will make a statement.
Pass on.
Pass.
Till number 6.
505, yeah?
105 and 192 previous months. 173(4) is not complied. And also, Nallabalo's case, I'm placing.
ಇದದ ಯಾವುದು ಗೋಲ್ಡಾ
Yes.
ಅಲ್ವಾ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ದಾ
Gold Allah. Gold. That is 25th it is.
ಇದು ಗಣೇಶ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ದಾ
Ganesha festival.
ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
Nallabalu is better.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ ಬಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ 505 ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ
Not Nallabalu.
ನಲ್ಲಬಾಲು ಬೇಡ ಸರ್
505.
ತೆಲಂಗಾಣದ ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಬಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಆನ್ 505 ಕೊಡಿ The petitioner is before the court, calling in question registration of a crime in crime number 209 of 2024 for offences punishable under section 353 within bracket 2/505(2) of the earlier regime, the IPC. One nimsha. The petitioner is so and so 505(2) of the earlier regime, the IPC. The petitioner, a member of the Legislative Assembly, gets embroiled in a crime in crime number 209 of 2024 for the aforequoted offence. It is the case of the respondent police, while registering a suo motu case against the petitioner, that the petitioner was invited to speak at a Ganesha festival on 27/9/2024 and has allegedly spoken allegedly given a speech that could become the ingredients of section 505(2) of the IPC or 353(2) of the BNS. In identical 353 of the BNS, the said suo motu complaint becomes a crime in crime number 209 of 2024. Registration of the crime has driven the petitioner to this court in the subject petition. The learned counsel Venkatesh Dalwai, appearing for the petitioner, submits that the ingredients of the offence under section 505(2) or 353(2) of the BNS is not met even to its semblance and would seek to place reliance upon the judgment of this court on the same issue on identical set of facts. The learned HCGP though would refute the SPP hakbaka? Learned HCGP though would refute the submission of the counsel for the petitioner would not dispute the position of law that is laid down by this court in the aforesaid petition. In that light, so and so. The petitioner, I've given my so and so. Since the entire issue is now triggered from the complaint and the complaint triggering from an incident that happens on 27/9/2024, I deem it appropriate to notice the complaint in its entirety. 11 and 12. In identical circumstances, this court, while answering an offence under section 5052, has held as follows. Reason in the Indore covered in the light of the issue standing answered and being identical in the case at hand as well, the petition deserves to succeed.
The connected matter, different crime number.
ಯಾವ್ದದು?
352.
Connected matter ಏನು?
6.1.
Crime number ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇರೆನಾ?
Crime number
ಅದು 505
ಅದು 505 and 196.
153A. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಇದೆ. 6.1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಪ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 505 ಮಾತ್ರ.
153 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಇಮಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್. ಸರಿ, ಜಾವೇದ್ ಆಜಮ್. ಸರಿ.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡಿ ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದಿ ಒಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲೆಜ್ಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ SCC ಇಲ್ವಾ ದಿ ಒಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲೆಜ್ಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 505 2 of the IPC is the one punishable under section 153A. Interpretation of section 153A to become an offense or the presence of ingredients to become an offense need not detain this court for long or delve deep into the matter. The apex court in Javed Hajam 2024 4 SCC, then just file that, has held as follows. In the light of the issue standing answered by the judgment of the apex court, the petition deserves to succeed. Allowed quash. Next. No representative. RB Sadashiv.
I am for the respondent.
Respondent. Our last time ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ?
Same thing. Last time my friend had appeared, my lords. Your lordship had said that you.
This has to be heard. No stay ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ. Your lordship said that there is no material, my lord, to proceed.
No, correct. No material to proceed against them.
Proceed with the complaint because concurrent findings of dismissal of the complaint, my lord. Learned magistrate dismissed the complaint on 163.
Oh, correct.
CRPC holding that no materials. The partition date of 2004. Now they file a criminal case saying that mother is died.
So we'll dismiss this also, but let him come. There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner. Heard the learned senior counsel PP Hegde representing the respondent. What is called in question is dismissal of a complaint by the concerned court. The learned counsel for the respondent submits that a partition deed of the year.
Partition deed of the year 2002.
Partition deed of the year 2002 is sought to be projected to become a crime in 2024. The concerned court has rightly rejected the complaint as
A very recent order, my lords.
rightly rejected the complaint. There is no representation as observed here and above. Therefore, list this matter as a last chance on 25th. In the event the petitioner would not be present, the orders would be passed on hearing the senior counsel for the respondent. Yes.
Great.
Waiting for the petitioner, my lord. It's covered by a lordship's judgment in an identical, on the last date of hearing a
Yes.
secondary evidence.
Respondent 138 ಅಲ್ಲ?
Allala, it's prosecution's application under 242 of the CRPC.
Then covered.
There are additional documents which were not given at the time of filing charge sheet.
Yes, ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ madam? Covered.
Prosecution's application.
ನಿಮ್ಮ
Petitioner is the
application.
complainant.
You are the complainant.
Please.
Yes, sir.
This one 2 and 3, my lord.
Correct. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ?
Dismiss ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Senior workers. Time.
ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ.
Yes. Out of ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ನಾವು.
ಹಾ?
Out of ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಬರ.
ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ. Next week.
25 finally in the fresh matters list. In the event the respondent would not be present, petition would be allowed.
Grateful.
Yes. Next. 509. No representation. Finally, list the matter on 25th. In the event no representation, petition will be dismissed for its non-prosecution. Next.
10.
Sudarshan,
188 is the offense, my lord.
covered, Kudi.
Covered. Please, my lord. Para 5 of this order, my lord.
Yes. ಯಾವುದು ಉಮೇಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿದ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಬಿಡಿ.
Please.
The petitioner is before this court seeking the following prayer. The petitioner gets embroiled in a crime for offense punishable under section 188 of the IPC. The police conduct investigation and file a charge sheet in CC 31082 of 2024 for the aforesaid offences. The filing of the charge sheet is what has driven the petitioner to this. PCR? Charge sheet bada. The petitioner is before this court calling in question proceedings in CC 31082 of 2024 registered for offense punishable under section 188 of the IPC. For an offense under section 188, for an incident to become an offense under section 188 of the IPC, the traits, the sanction under section 195?
CRPC.
The person who can file a complaint, 188.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿರತ್ತಾನೆ.
Private complaint ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ, but even then, the complaint has to be filed by the person who promulgated this.
Correct.
or
Now who has filed it here?
Flying squad. Flying squad, my lords.
The ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. For an offense to become, for an incident to become an offense under section 188 of the IPC, a complaint ought to have been preferred by the person who had promulgated such orders, with such orders, disobedience of which is now alleged. In the case at hand, the flying squad during the time of elections is said to have filed the complaint, which is without jurisdiction. The issue need not detain this court for long or delve deep into the matter. The coordinate bench Umesh Shetty full follow. In that light, allowed cost. Next.
11.
173(4) is not complied. Complaint is at Ashish Dave.
Ashish Dave, ಇದನ್ನ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
Update ಮಾಡಿ. Complaint is at in page 11, document number 2.
174 not complied.
Remand,
Huh?
liberty maybe.
ಅದೇ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ.
Liberty, let them have to FIR has to go.
The petitioner is before the court calling in question registration of a crime in crime number 34 of 2025, which comes to be registered on a reference being made by the learned magistrate in a private complaint so filed by. ಮತ್ತೆ 174 ಯಾಕೆ?
173.
173.
173, because all offenses are punishable less than 3 years, up to 3 years.
Abatement?
Abatement.
What abatement?
In page 11.
Wait, we'll see interim order. List on 25th in the fresh matters list. Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing. Yes, next.
12.
Yes, Sudarshan.
Please, my lords. 356, my lords, BNSS, defamation. The allegations are there in ink page. The alleged allegations are there in ink page 45 of the petition, my lords.
356 defamation.
Defamation. All that it says is real estate, ink page 45, my lords, my lords.
You are topmost office and you are not another?
Please, my lords.
Ada.
Illa, ink page 45, my lords, of the PCR. Ink page 45.
Transcripts.
Transcript, please. This is, I've just taken it from the PCR that has been given by the complainant itself.
Yeah, who is the?
Adagur Vishwanath, and Adagur Vishwanath is the accused, my lords, and B.S. Suresha is the.
The learned HCGP is directed to accept. Idara illala?
Illala, idralli.
I appear, my lords, for the respondent.
Yes, Shadadesh.
I apologize, my lords, for appearing through video conference.
No problem, tell me, yes.
My lords, this is a matter, my lords, pertaining to the Muda issue. Your lordships were seized of the matter, my lords, and there was some alleged irregularity in site allocation. And my
All right.
lords, at that juncture, several politicians, my lords, made several remarks and attempted to take political advantage. However, my lords, this particular petitioner, under the guise of making remarks on that particular issue, my lords, would make certain defamatory, per se defamatory and damaging remarks, my lords, insofar as the present respondent is concerned. We, my lords, were holding the portfolio, my lords, of urban development at that point in time. However, my lords, completely divorced from that issue, the petitioner, my lords, would once say that the tainted officers would run the alleged Muda allotment or irregularity within the antechambers of the then minister in Vidhan Sabha. Apart from that, my lords, he would also allege that I have fixed a bribe amount of 5 lakh rupees for change of land use.
File your objections.
Very well, my lords. I'll file.
List the matter on 3rd July.
Until then.
Objections, if any, by then.
Until then, I should
No.
request for a stay of proceedings, my lords, because
Yes, 3rd July. Yes, next.
I'm so grateful.
13,
The petitioner, private complaint is filed, my lords,
188,
188.
123-2 and 188. Kodi.
And there are no allegations in the complaint. Mere simpliciter, my lords, is not an offense under 188. Page 22 is the private complaint, my lords, where the relevant paragraph. After the campaigning hours, I went to flats for asking for votes.
Page 22.
In page 22, my lords. This is the only allegation without further details in terms of 188.
Conducted rallies, canvassing has been seen in the video. Yes. Is it flying squad?
Flying squad. Private complaint by the flying squad.
Intermotor idea?
ಇದೆ.
180 ಇಲ್ಲ judgment.
I went on merits, my lords. There are no further allegations in 188 and 125A is not an offense. It's only a ground for challenging the election process.
The petitioner notice agilva?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ.
It is not taken.
No, it's a private complaint, served and unrepresented.
Oh, it's served.
Served and unrepresented.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ? ಆಯ್ತು, one chance ಕೊಡು. There is no, the respondent, though served, remains unrepresented. Therefore, as a last chance, list this matter on 3rd July. In the event the respondent would not be represented, this court would be constrained to pass necessary orders on hearing the counsel for the petitioner.
We will take notice.
Aurugana? Yes, the learned HCGP accepts notice for the respondent, the unserved respondent registered to print the name of the HCGP as appearing for the respondent. List on 3rd July.
Copy maybe.
Petitioner to serve set of papers upon the council. Next.
It's interim order.
Interim order continues.
14,
In this case, I am for the 14.2, my lordship. There are 2 crimes are registered, my lordship.
307.
307, there is no iota of allegation existed. All the injuries are
Their
in simple
contention, my
nature,
lord,
sir.
that there are 2 different the incidents have happened. Your lordship may club all these things and let be one trial.
Please, my lordship, member submission.
220.
Yes. And let him approach or seek for a discharge before the trial court, and if he agreed, then he can come back here. Instead of.
This I'm not going to interfere. Not because, even otherwise I'm not going to.
My lordship.
File discharge, sir.
My lordship, kindly see, my lordship. the
Discharge
ink
ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ.
Ink page number, see, my lordship, the, I am the only concerning the 14.2. The same incident.
ಮೂರು ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ, nothing.
Alla, same incident, 2 crimes are registered. Double G of party, there is.
ಯಾವ party?
Double G of party, my lordship. There is a contention in the first matter, they are taken the same contention. ಒಂದೇ incident, ಒಂದೇ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಕ್ಕಂಥ
ಯಾವ್ದು ಎರಡು crime ಯಾವ್ದು?
Swami, crime number 321 is the my petition, my lordship. This is the first crime.
Which is your petition 14.2.
14.2, my lordship.
ಆಯ್ತು, which is the first crime?
First crime is the page number.
Serial number 14 is the first crime.
Second.
Crime number?
321.
321, my lordship.
Offense?
Offense up
307.
Yes.
307.
ಆಮೇಲೆ?
My lordship, the offenses is the 307, 504, 427, 414, 149.
ಆಯ್ತು,
please,
ಆಮೇಲೆ second crime ಯಾವ್ದು?
Second criminal, the same offenses, sir.
Crime number, sir.
Crime number 322, my lordship.
3 offense, complainant ಯಾರು?
Complainant is the JCB.
ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್.
ಒಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್,
ಹಾ.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ JCB ಡ್ರೈವರ್.
But sameness.
307.
Please, Lordship.
ಹಾ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಯಾವುದು?
Only 2 crimes.
ಮತ್ತೆ 3 ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಇದೆ.
Petitioners are different.
Different accused.
Different petitioners.
Will permit one to continue.
Yes, sir.
Yes. ಬೈರೇಗೌಡ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
307 I'm not going to interfere.
307 ingredients ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ.
And
one we will quash.
simple injuries ಅಲ್ಲ.
One we will quash.
Because they wanted to, there is an abuse here by invoking 307 because of political rivalry. We went there to protect the.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ. The JCB was damaged. Property has been damaged.
Property
Let them ask for discharge. Let them go before trial court and ask for discharge.
307 ಗೂ property.
One we will quash. Yes.
Correct. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 307 ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ತಾವು ನೋಡಿ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. 307 ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾವ್ದು ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
First
14.
ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇದೇನಾ? CP ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ಗೆ.
Please.
Come to page 100, sir.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಈ ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ? ಪೇಜ್ 100 ಬನ್ನಿ ಸೀದಾ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಪಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ 14 ವೇಕ್ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದೌದು.
ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 16982.
Yes, 1698.
కదా?
Yes.
So
yes,
come to page 100 there.
16515.
No, 16982. That is serial number 14.
One 1698 page 100.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಂತ.
ಆಯ್ತು,
ನೀವು ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಡ.
ದೋಷಾರೋಪಣಾ ಅಂಕಣ 12ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡ ಆರೋಪಿಗಳಾದ A1 to A32 ರವರುಗಳು
ಅಕ್ರಮ ಕೂಟ ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಂಡು ಕೈಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಣ್ಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದುಕೊಂಡು ಅರಣ್ಯ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿ ನುಗ್ಗಿ ಹೊಡೆದು
ವಲಯ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯ ರಾಜ ಅರಣ್ಯ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವ ರೋಣೂರು ಹೋಬಳಿ ನಾರ್ಮಾಕ್ಲಹಳ್ಳಿ ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ
ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಶ್ ಆನ್ ಸೇಮ್ನೆಸ್.
101 ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಭೂಮಿ ಅತಿಕ್ರಮಣವನ್ನು ತೆರವುಗೊಳಿಸಲು ಆದೇಶಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಅದರಂತೆ ದಿನಾಂಕ 9/9/2022 ರಂದು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ 3 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸಪುರ ತಾಲೂಕು ನಾರ್ಮಾಕ್ನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಸರ್ವೆ ನಂಬರ್ 101 ಒತ್ತುವರಿ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಪ್ರದೇಶವನ್ನು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 1ರಿಂದ 13 ರವರೆಗೂ ತೆರವು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅಕ್ರಮ ಕೂಟ ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಂಡು ಕೈಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಣ್ಣೆ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಹಿಡಿದುಕೊಂಡು ಅರಣ್ಯ ಪ್ರದೇಶದೊಳಗೆ ಅಕ್ರಮ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ಅರಣ್ಯ ಒತ್ತುವರಿ ತೆರವು ಕಾರ್ಯಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಅಡ್ಡಿಪಡಿಸುವ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಒಳಸಂಚು ರೂಪಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಆರೋಪಿಗಳ ಪೈಕಿ A1 ರವರು ಗುಂಪನ್ನು ಕುರಿತು ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಬಿಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ಪ್ರಚೋದನಾಕಾರಿ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನಾಡಿ JCBಗಳನ್ನು ಅರಣ್ಯದೊಳಗೆ ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, ಆಗ ಗುಂಪಿನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದವರು ಅರಣ್ಯ ಪ್ರದೇಶದೊಳಗಿದ್ದ JCBಗಳನ್ನು ಟ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿರುವ ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಪ್ರದೇಶದೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಅಕ್ರಮ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ 307 ಇನ್ನ ಬಂದ
100 ಕೆಳಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳು ತೂರಾಡಿ ತಲೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೊಡೆದು
ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡದಂತೆ ತಡೆದಿದ್ದು, ನಂತರ
A307ಗೆ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಸಾಕು, ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ.
ದೊಣ್ಣೆಯಿಂದ JCB ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೊಡೆದು ಹಾಗೂ A4, A6, A22 ಸೋಂಚುಗಳು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳಿಂದ ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ 5 JCB ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳಿಂದ ಹೊಡೆದು ಜಖಂಗೊಳಿಸಿದ್ದು, A5 ರವರು JCB ವಾಹನದೊಳಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿ ದೌರ್ಜನ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ಆರೋಪಿ 1ರಿಂದ ರವರುಗಳು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 1ರಿಂದ 13 ರವರುಗಳನ್ನು ಕುರಿತು ಬಾರೋ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಎಂದು ಅವಾಚ್ಯ ಶಬ್ದಗಳಿಂದ ಬೈದು ಕಲ್ಲು ಮತ್ತು ದೊಣ್ಣೆಗಳಿಂದ ಹೊಡೆದು ಸಾಯಿಸುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದು, ಆಗ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 1ರಿಂದ 13 ರವರು ತಪ್ಪಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ ಆರೋಪಿಗಳು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 1ರಿಂದ 5 ಮತ್ತು 9 ರವರು ಸಾಯಿಸುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಎಸೆದಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯ 1, 5 ಮತ್ತು 9 ಬೆನ್ನಿನ ಮೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ಗಾಯಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಆರೋಪಿಗಳು ಕಲ್ಲು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಷ್ಟೇ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
JCB 307 ಹಿಂಗೆ JCB.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಮನುಷ್ಯರಿಗೂ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದೀರಾ JCB?
ಕಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದು.
Oh, no, sir.
Actually, they were sitting in protest to
Maybe
protect
whatever,
the farmers.
you have no right to take law into your hands.
That I may be permitted liberty to file
Discharge. One then I will quash on the ground of sameness.
Your Worship, permit us to lead evidence in a connected matter. Whatever material if required can be.
Material you have collected, you can use, always use.
Yes.
Second one, I'm sorry, the first one I'll withdraw with liberty to file.
ಯಾವುದು ಈಗ 14?
Observations ಬೇಡ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ. Yes. Heard the learned senior counsel Vivek Reddy appearing for the petitioner. After arguing the matter at length, the learned senior counsel would seek leave of this court to withdraw the petition and avail the remedy of filing a discharge before the concerned court, reserving liberty to knock at the doors of this court again in the event the discharge would go against the petitioner. The petition stands disposed. Second one, I will quash it now.
Sameness.
Yes. ಈಗ 14 point, madam. 16 point.
14.1.
14 point, ವಿವೇಕ್ ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿರಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ 16
ಅಲ್ಲ 14 ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ. 14 is now withdrawn.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 16515.
ಈಗ 16515 ಅಲ್ಲಿ you are there ಅಲ್ವಾ?
I'm there.
16515 and 17505.
Yes.
Representing on behalf of the accused number 10, 17, 31 and 32.
So we will quash these on the ground of sameness. The petitioners in both these cases are different accused, calling in question the proceedings in 38186 of 2025 registered for several offences. You will get it at page 25, marked portion. Cognizance is taken for this following offense. Heard the learned senior counsel Vivek Reddy appearing for the petitioner and the learned counsel Shivanand Reddy representing the petitioner in the companion petition. You are Shivanand Reddy. Facts in brief germane are as follows. The petitioners are accused 1 to 6 in criminal petition 16515 and the remaining accused in the companion petition. An incident that happens on 9/9/2023 results in registration of 2 crimes on the same incident for the same offences. One becomes a crime in crime number 321 of 2023 and the other in crime number 322 of 2023. Both for the same offences with a slight twist. In crime number 321 of 2023, the offences under the Forest Conservation Act is also alleged, or the Forest Conservation Act and the Forest Act, Karnataka Forest Act is also alleged. But the incident is the same, the complainants are different. In that light, there cannot, it is too well settled a principle of law that there cannot be multiple complaints on a solitary incident. There are indeed multiple complaints in the case at hand for the same offences on the same incident. Therefore, one of the proceedings must be permitted to continue and not the other. One is already permitted to continue in the light of the withdrawal of the petition seeking liberty to avail the remedy of discharge. In the light of this
14.2 is connected with 14.
ಯಾರು ಇವ್ರದ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ 322 ನ ಅದು ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಅದು ಕ್ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Correct.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು 14.1 ಗೆ 14.2 in the same crime lodge.
ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ
The same crime.
ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? 322 ಎಸ್ ಪಿ ಪಿ ಅವರೇ. 322
CC number.
321 ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಈಗ.
ಅಲ್ಲ 321.
This is 14.1 and 14.2 are both 322?
No, one is 321, one is 320.
14.2 ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Even the 321.
321.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ 322
ಇಲ್ಲ 321 ಅವರು.
321.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ 321.
321.
Please,
14.2 is 321.
Please.
I have dismissed that.
320. 14.2 is 14.1 and 2 is the accused number. There are the 32 accused persons.
Correct. ಅದು ಯಾವ crime?
321, my lord. Crime number 321.
321.
321 dismiss ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಈಗ. ಒಂದು dismiss ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕು.
Sameness ಮೇಲೆ second.
Sameness ಅಲ್ಲಿ 322 I will quash. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ನೀವು ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ನಂದು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಂದು ರೋಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, my lordship. I am the teacher. I am working as a teacher. Myself is, I am not attending this. Please, my lordship.
You plea of alibi. That is before the concerned court.
Though, my lordship, in the statements, who is the injured eyewitnesses, my name is not disclosed in this.
No problem. That is a matter of evidence.
Please, my lordship. Apart from the injuries are in simple in nature, I am far away.
ಅದು senior counsel ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ injuries are simple in nature.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಒಬ್ರು ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. There is a mob case. There are several 100 to 150 members are gathered there. There is my name is, how can he is the complainant is the forest officer. My name is not the predetermined complaint against the.
Why what is he against a teacher?
Please, my lordship, there is a political rivalry. I am belongs to the
rivalry,
my lordship. Without I am attending the school and I am teaching the school. They far away from the 25 kilometers far away from the incident place. My lordship, the attendance register also produced before some court.
Sir, plea of alibi is only before the concerned court. I in 482 cannot consider that. It requires evidence. As simple as that.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಜನರ ಮೇಲೆ JCB ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಗಾಯಗಳಾಗಿರೋದು JCB ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋದು 6 ಜನರನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಬಂದು 30.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನೀವು ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ತೊಂದರೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, this is very good case.
Very good case ನ I will write. Wait, first ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ sameness ಮೇಲೆ. Then take only 14 madam, 14.1. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ 14.1 ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ. The subject crime as observed here in above is the second in line on the same incident for the same offense, albeit by the different complainant. It is too well settled a principle of law that there cannot be multiple crimes on the same incident by two different complainants, except in exceptional circumstances. This court does not find any such exceptional circumstance in the case at hand to permit the second crime on the same incident, as contended by the learned senior counsel, Sri Vivek Reddy, appearing for the petitioner. The crime number 322, which is the second in line, needs obliteration. The law in this regard, the law in this regard need not detain this court for long or delve deep. This court, in the case of Bairegowda versus so and so, number has held al chamber li kodtare. In that light, the crime in crime number 322 of 2023 and all further proceedings taken thereto, including the filing of the charge sheet in CC 38186 of 2025 stands quashed.
Prosecution at liberty to
It is needless to observe that the prosecution will have the liberty of producing the materials collected during the investigation in 322 of 2023 while conducting trial in crime number 321 of 2023.
Yes, but in the other one, withdrawal and it's fine. My contention that 307 does not attract.
All contentions ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅದು ಒಂದು
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ನಾನು withdrawal ಇರ್ಲಿ, just that.
ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. First withdraw ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. The learned senior counsel would submit that even on the perusal at the summary of the charge sheet, it would not indicate any ingredient of the offense under section 307. While it is difficult to fathom the said submission at this juncture, the learned senior counsel now would seek leave of this court to withdraw the petition, avail of the remedy of filing a discharge before the concerned court.
fathom ಅಂದ್ರೆ trial court dismiss.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು this I will contest there ಅಂತಾನೆ
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Therefore, the concerned court shall answer all the contentions, including the one that the learned senior counsel has sought to advance before this court in accordance with law. In accordance with law. Yes. Yes, sir. Bani.
I am involved in the same. My name is also mentioned in the same crime.
Yes, sir. You are accused number what, sir?
Accused number 10.
10, 17, 31, 32.
my lord.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಟೀಚರ್ಸಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, the accused number 10 is the teacher, my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ
The 17, 31 and 32 is the agriculture, my lordship. My village is as far away from the incident place, my lordship. My land is not involved in the said forest department. The land belongs to the some other persons, my lordship. The ink page number 81 is the eyewitness, my lordship.
One moment,
Injured
one
eyewitness.
moment, one moment. Yes, yes, prepare.
Yes.
Come to page 65. The accused number 10,
There are
yellow illa.
There are 16 eyewitnesses.
Accused number 10 ಏನಾರು ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ?
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ all those
ಅಲ್ಲ,
things are
we are 10 ಮೇಲ teacher.
The entire incident, my lord, has been
ಅಲ್ಲ, incident is captured, I am aware.
No, let him hurt that ground, my lord, that at the time of discharge, you can place that material. In fact, discharge, my lord, even the material which we have not placed can be
That
placed
can be
before the
placed, any material can be placed.
court. Let him place it and then seek for discharge, my lord.
But the allegations are same. Yes, sir.
Please, my lordship.
The merits ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಿಲ್ಲ?
Withdraw ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ sir. Permanent exemption, kindly permit to me permanent exemption before the court.
Exemption will see.
Please,
So the accused number
10 ಮಾತ್ರ, ಅದು 10 because he is a teacher.
Please, my lordship.
Yes. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, after arguing the matter at length, would seek leave of this court to withdraw the petition and avail the remedy of filing a discharge. He would submit that the accused number 10 is a teacher by avocation. Accused number 10 stroke petitioner number 1 is a teacher by avocation and therefore be permitted to be exempted from appearance. In the light of the petitioner being a teacher, accused number 10, petitioner number 1 being a teacher, I deem it appropriate to exempt the petitioner from appearance except when the court specifically needs him for any proceeding in future. ಯಾಕೆ ನೀವು ಟೀಚರಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ನೀವು ರೂಢಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ.
ಇದೊಂದೇ ಇರೋದು.
307 ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಮಗೆ ಆಂಪಲ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತೊಳಗೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಮಿಟಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೀಶಿಯಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆನರಬಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಹೇಳಿದಿನಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಲಿಬರ್ಟಿ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. We will not permit you to waste the precious judicial time. But ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. 196(1)(a).
196(1)(a), my lord, there is no ingredients made out. Page, my lord, 14 is the complaint.
1 HCGP, heard the learned senior counsel Arun Shyam appearing for the petitioner. Complainant ಯಾರು?
Somoto, police officer,
One
was doing bandobast.
Learned HCGP accepts notice for the respondent. There shall be an interim order of stay of further investigation. Investigation is charge sheet.
Investigation.
Further investigation quay the petitioner to the next date of hearing, 10th July.
Right.
Next.
For the petitioner.
307.
307. Not BNS ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. For one allegation, the only allegation in that PCR, my lord, will kindly look at page allegation at para 6 at page 12. My lord. Idu the whole of the allegation. He has filed 2 cases. One for the check bounce issue, which is under trial. The other one, which he is now filed, he says in para 6, my lord, at page 12, that on 16/9/2025, the complainant's son and wife personally visited the residence of the accused to ascertain whether the check could be presented. However, the accused grew aggressive and issued threats of dire consequences. The complainant failed to return the check. The entire conversation took place on that day and was being recorded in the pen drive. That pen drive, allegedly, that is not marked in evidence also in the other proceeding. In the check bounce proceeding also, he tries to put in that pen drive to show certain allegations. My lord, the brief background is, the complainant herein was a proposer, my proposer during the by-elections in 2021.
Police idaralla. 1 HCGP, 2 emergent notice. Returnable by
175 non-compliant. Maybe remanded back.
Where is the reference? Private complaint alva?
PCR.
Ade private complaint.
21, page 21.
ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ?
175 number. ಅಲ್ಲ, page 25, page 22 ಇಂದ the order of cognizance starts. Lord will kindly see, await FIR on page 25. In view of reference under 175(3) of BNSS and filing of FIR in crime number so and so, this PCR is closed. And then the FIR is registered.
One moment. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ತಾಳಿ. The report is not called. The petitioner is before the court calling in question a registration of a crime in crime number 240 of 2025, which comes to be registered on 27/12/2025 on a reference being made by the learned magistrate under section 175(3) of the BNSS. The petitioner is accused number?
Only your sole accused.
The petitioner is the sole accused. You're sitting MLA?
Yes.
A member of the sitting member of the Legislative Assembly. He is alleged of offense punishable under or punishable for cheating, criminal breach of trust, and attempt to murder as obtaining under 109, 314, and 318 of the BNSS. The second respondent is the complainant. A private complaint comes to be registered in PCR 19195 of 2025 for the aforequoted offences. The concerned court refers the matter for investigation on the private complaint filed under 223(1) of the BNSS by the following order, page 22 to 25. A perusal at the order which refers the matter under 175(3) for investigation does not indicate the compliance with the mandate of the statute of requiring the jurisdictional police to submit calling for a report and submission of a report. Without so doing, it is straight away referred for investigation under 175(3), which amounts to procedural aberration, which amounts to an incurable procedural aberration. In that light, the petition is allowed, the matter is remitted back to the hands of the concerned court to follow the procedure as stipulated in law, bearing in mind the observations made in the course of the order. For the aforesaid reasons, the following order. The petition is allowed in part, the so and so stands quashed. Matter is remitted back to the hands of the learned magistrate to pass necessary orders for referring the matter for investigation, bearing in mind the observations made in the course of the order, ordered accordingly.
Please.
Yes, next.
The crime so and so squashed.
Huh?
Crime registered is quashed.
No, sir. Only cognizance, only reference. Crime cannot be quashed.
My lord, now, my lord, at least till such time, the magistrate considers the taking fresh cognizance. Let the respondent police be directed not to take any further action, my lord, because they are calling
ಇನ್ನು ರೆಫರೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನು PCR stage ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. PCR stage ಅಲ್ಲಿ can police take action?
They can't, but they are trying to only politicize it, my lord. That's why this request.
Yes.
Sorry, please.
17.
Present the petitioner. Default
ಏನ್
bail.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇಲ್ಗೆ?
Default bail, man.
I take notice.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಬೇಲ್?
One case where only 354 is there on 200.
Charge sheet ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಈಗ ಆಗಿದೆ. When the right occurred, it was filed. In fact,
354 ABCD ಇದೆ ಇದು.
ಹೌದು.
The learned special public prosecutor Shri B.N. Jagadish is directed to accept notice for the respondent state to file objections, if any, by the next date of hearing, 3rd July.
Please.
18.
188.
188.
But the learned senior counsel Dhananjay Joshi appearing for the petitioner, emergent notice to the respondent that shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings quay the petitioner to the next date of hearing.
Great.
Yes, next.
19.
7A?
And not a case of raid or trap. But the order passed by the learned special judge, not thereby directing further investigation. Not is under challenge. But the account number 1 was first charge sheeted. Thereafter not, he had filed an application seeking discharge. That was rejected and further investigation was ordered.
Further investigation can be ordered.
but further investigation, my lord, was also filed.
Hmm.
But again, my lord, now additional investigation was directed. And even, my lord, that additional investigation report was also submitted. Again, that is rejected and the learned trial judge has observed.
Fourth time.
Yeah, fourth
Which
time.
is that fourth time?
Please, ma'am. Will also kindly see, my lord, take 17, page 17.
You are sitting MLA?
Yes, he is sitting MLA.
ಇದು ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತಗೆ
Lokaयुಕ್ತ.
learned counsel B. Latif ಅಥವಾ B. Patil is directed to accept notice for the respondent Lokayukta list on 25th in the fresh matters list.
Interim order, please.
ಅವತ್ತು that day will grant.
Yes.
Heard the learned senior counsel CH Jadhav ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿ. Yes, next.
20,
No representation list on 10th July. Matters actually covered early. Yes, next.
21,
Vinod Kumar 188.
153.
153 ಏನ?
Argued for discharge, my lord. My discharge
Argued discharge rejected.
rejected, my lord. This is a revision petition, my lord. Covered
Revision na ಇದು? Oh,
revision, my
sorry.
lord. Imran Pratap Gadi, during the protest, my lord. Case is registered.
153.
Yeah. Imran Pratap Gadi.
Oh, yeah.
Pratap.
Imran.
ಹೌದು. Yes.
Yes, Jagdish. Notice thoroughly first. One, who is the Ibru Nive? Learned HCGP accepts notice for the respondents. In the light of the issue completely answered by the Apex Court in the judgment of Imran so-and-so 2025 SCC online SC, page 678, there shall be an interim order of stay of all further proceedings in CC 6746 of 2026 till the next date of hearing, 10th July.
Much.
Next.
22,
Effects of the petition in this case, my lord. Petitioner has filed the PCR before the trial court, my lord, alleging the forging of the signatures and creating a sale deed. On 2/6/2025, trial court has ordered for the investigation, my lord. FIR was filed on 4/7/2025. Yet they are not doing any investigation further. They are not taking any.
You are the complainant?
Yes, my lord.
Investigation, ನೀವು ಯಾರಿಗೆ? Accused ಈಗ?
Accused.
How can you be heard at this stage? ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು investigation.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I have also filed my lord criminal petition 8052 of 2026.
Seeking to quash the proceedings.
Maybe listed
Tag the
along with
petition along with
8052 of 2026.
2026. List them both on 3rd July. Yes.
Copy may be.
Huh?
Copy may be.
I'll serve.
Petition, the respondent, counsel B.S. Murali to serve set of papers upon the counsel for the petitioner forthwith. Next.
23,
Here for the petition. The allegation against the petitioner, my lord, is page 23, my lord. Read, a notice was issued to the farmer calling upon him to remove the compound wall. He replied, without passing any order, my lord, there was a threat of demolition. Then the allegation is, my lord, the petitioner, as an ex-MLA, happens to call the assistant complainant, calling upon him not to undertake the
One
demolition.
HCGP to emergent notice in the meantime.
Already
madam.
served.
Stay there.
Stay ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅದರ not to precipitate ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
132, yes. There shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings, square the petitioner to the next date of hearing. Next.
Please.
Inga 9/24,
Respondent served already.
Serve ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು.
Served.
ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಆಗಿದೆ.
Alright.
Please.
Here for petitioner's counsel.
ಹ್ಮ್.
IA for dispensation, that may not be necessary.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ ಈಗ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, IA ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
ಸರಿ.
Lord, on merits, my lord, it's offense alleged under, my lord, 353 and 351(3). 353 is, my lord, at the best, one will attract. It's a non-cognizable offense. Registered FIR, my lord. Now, the allegation is that petitioner has, my lord, made certain speech in a political protest.
Speech.
Adರಲ್ಲಿ only, my lord, there is no community refer, there is no, my lord, group refer, nothing. Only, my lord, allegation is that in a ಕಾಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿಲಾಡ್ while doing the speech ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಮಿಲಾಡ್. It is at page.
Respondent ಯಾರು? Complainant ಯಾರು?
They represent ಮಿಲಾಡ್.
Complainant CM ಧನಂಜಯ
ವಕಾಲತ್
ಹಾಕಿದಾರ?
ವಕಾಲತ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್.
ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು. 3rd July, heard the learned senior counsel Arun Sham appearing for the petitioner. There is no representation on behalf of the respondent complainant. List the matter on 3rd July. In the event there would be no representation on the next date, appropriate orders would be passed as the issue stands completely answered by judgment rendered by the apex court in the case of Javed Hajam. Yes. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಕಂಪಲೇಷನ್
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Javed Hajam, 2024 4 SCC page 156. Yes. Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing. Next. Dispensation for the reasons indicated in the affidavit accompanying the application being satisfied with the same dispensation allowed.
If this is the Garukum committee anticipatory bill, my lord, it's become infructuous because he's been taken into custody this morning.
ಯಾಕೆ?
Arrested this morning.
ಇದು bail?
Anticipatory bail.
Anticipatory bail. You are accused number 1, sir.
Accused number 1.
Then it's my order.
You arrested around 12 people. You have arrested 12 people.
Across different jurisdictions.
And some more people are.
See, you seek regular bail. The petition, the learned counsel of the petitioner submits that the petition is rendered infructuous as the petitioner has been taken into custody last night. This morning. And would seek would submit that he would avail the remedy of seeking regular bail before the concerned court. In that light, the petition is disposed as having become infructuous. 26.
Waiting for the petitions, man.
Connected matter.
I have a request.
Special court
I have a request in this matter, my lords. The instructing counsel's brother is undergoing treatment in US and he has gone there.
USA.
USA. So he's coming back on 9th July. Could I request this matter to be taken up after? I'm sorry, my lord.
Which matter?
26.
26, my
26.
lord.
Because the application.
Why is this connected?
It arises out of the same crime. I don't know the.
26.1 is also a politician?
No, he's not a politician, but he's part of the same crime.
Okay.
But my learned friend, Lord, my learned friend Mr. Chauta is appearing for
the impleading
applicant. Someone who
pleading applicant. Very saragar. Yes, sir.
Yes, first matter there was a direction that the copy should be served on me. Till date, 2025.
Manu. Mine is separate, Lord.
My lord, I have served the copy, my lord. I have an acknowledgement also, my lord. Copy has been served.
Why would Prasanna Kumar say not served, sir? What is all this?
My lord, I would definitely have served.
Entire liability has been cleared to the bank. Bank's claim.
No, idರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ನಾನು interim order ಒಂದು ಬರ್ದಂಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
That was another case, my lord. That was a separate case. In this case, my lord,
where surface proceedings were taken and.
Yes, your lordship then state this. In this case, the entire liability has been cleared and the certificate of settlement has been filed. There's nothing left. So far as the bank is concerned, the entire amount is paid. Now, some impleading applicants come and say, "Oh, I also have a claim on the property." That property claim is part of a suit that they can deal with there.
Let me point out why this impleading applicant is there in the nature of a victim. FIR gets registered, my lords, against all of us. I was also shown as an accused. My lords, the allegation is documents which have been submitted to the bank on the basis of which certain loans which are taken, the entire thing constitutes a fraud, including me as an accused, my lords. Investigation takes place. In the investigation, it is seen my property documents are misused by the co-accused, given to a bank, loan taken by them, charge sheet filed where I become a charge sheet witness. Same document is then, my lords, photocopies is given to 2 other banks. They take money from 2 other banks, defraud those 2 banks.
You are the bank, is it?
No. I am the owner of the property whose documents are misused.
No. You are the owner of the property whose documents are everywhere.
Yes, my lords, which they have taken, placed it before a bank, taken loans on that, and 2 more. 2 FIRs, 2 ECIRs.
Trading application allow agidya?
Illa, it's pending. That's why I said, my lords.
Lord, so far as he is concerned, my respectful submission, he's not the complainant.
How will I not be a victim? My documents are used by them in a bank. They take
that is subject matter of a civil suit.
Is the property involved in the list his?
No.
That is subject matter of a civil suit. It is still pending in a civil proceeding where he's making a claim with respect to the property. And therefore, my lord, until that is adjudicated, he cannot say it is his property.
Not a matter.
And it
was
is,
put on that
he has
spot.
an issue, my lord,
How
let him
do
file
you
a
claim
separate
that it
complaint.
is your property?
On investigation itself, it's found out, my lords. I am now shown as a charge sheet witness.
Whose investigation finds that you are the
It's
owner
the
of the
first
property?
crime number, my lords, the first crime which is
Where
registered.
is the finding by any judicial fora that you are the owner of the property?
My lords, now at present, in my respectful submission, there is no dispute that the documents are standing in my name. He takes my documents, he gives it to the bank, takes loan on it. Same documents is given to two more banks, two more loans taken, on the basis of which we have two ECRs also registered, two FIRs, two ECIRs. The first investigation which took place found that this property belongs to me, documents in my name, it has been misused.
Whose investigation is that?
Police investigation, my lords.
Police or
Predicate. Police investigation. So they show, my lords, me as a charge sheet witness. If my documents are used in this manner, to say that I don't have a say in the matter would be.
No, if that is the case, you will have a say.
I will
Lord,
definitely
the
have a say.
issue as to whether and who is the owner of the property is still under consideration before a civil court. He will not,
Who
still
has,
has to
who
answer
has,
the,
who has filed a suit?
he has filed a civil suit.
For what?
My lords,
Is it for declaration?
my
The
lords,
declaration of title.
that's the reason, my lords, the instructing counsel with all this, there is a problem. That's the reason I made the
No,
request.
but-
Have it post 9th, my
So
lords.
far-
I will place all these documents to point out what has happened in this.
I asked
The end
myself-
result is this, my lords. My title documents are misused by him in 3 banks. He takes loans, does not pay it back. Now with one bank, he does a settlement and says, in view of the settlement, close the criminal case.
But how does that affect you? You file a criminal
that,
proceeding
my
against
lords,
me.
That is not permissible at
But
all,
how
in my
can, why
respectful
doesn't stop
submission.
this criminal proceeding? I'm sorry. This is a criminal proceeding, my lord, initiated under the circular, my lord, relating to frauds by the bank. Therefore, CBI is involved. CBI does an investigation and says, my lord, that there is some irregular, but ultimately the conclusion is that I did not make payment of the money and therefore, my lord, I've committed fraud under
No,
420.
I'm only on this basic thing.
Yes.
If this man's property, you have taken and placed it for mortgage
That's not what
in
is-
1 or 2 banks,
Yes, ma'am.
should he not be heard?
No, but please see the what the investigation says. Investigation says that he has filed a civil suit and a civil suit is pending. And the allegation is when there was an interim order, it has been done. The property has been
Where are the
mortgaged.
documents?
Not to see.
Chota sir.
My lords, I'm sorry, the investigation was done by CBI. They can
That's
place it to
that's
court.
what I'm asking. The police or the CBI?
The
Yes,
petition
Prasanna
is
Kumar.
filed only on the ground that there is a settlement. No other grounds were not urged on merits of the matter. Therefore, I have not produced the charge sheet material. I will produce the charge sheet.
Produce the
material.
entire charge sheet.
I only request, please see page 38. What is the allegation against me? Allegation is when in the civil suit filed by them, there is an interim order. And in violation of the interim order, the property was mortgaged is the allegation.
Page 38, is it?
Page 38, para 6.
16.
I'm sorry, para 6, my lord.
6 and 7 also.
6 and 7.
6. Which petition?
I'm sorry, your lordship is seeing 12,940, my lord.
No. That could be. Page
38. That's part of the charge sheet.
Yes. Para 7 and 8.
6 and 7. my lord.
By 6 and 7. all.
Civil suit OS number so and so was filed by Karnataka Kaveri, that is my learned friend's client, against Sri Shiv Prasad for non-receipt of sale consideration for property at survey number 3/2. That is the allegation.
That's the property he is claiming.
That's the property he is claiming. For non-receipt of sale consideration, Lord, in Supreme Court has said that you can only file a suit for recovery of money.
Para
No,
7. last
non-receipt of sale, you are the purchaser
I'm the purchaser.
from him.
Yes, my lord, because that is a claim that is made in the civil suit that he has not received the money. Then he has to make a claim for recovery of money. But he comes and says the entire story is turned around.
Para 7 last 3 lines may also. Para 7 last 3 lines. So already under mortgage.
But today, my lord, so far as the
Was
bank
already
is,
under mortgage in favor of so and so.
that is the other allegation.
That's
But
against you.
That's the allegation against me. But today, my lord, the point is so far as the bank is concerned, the entire liability has been cleared fully under a one-time settlement.
Which bank?
My lord, Union Bank of India. And I've placed that document before your lordship, not in a memo dated 25th November 2025. Where the entire issue has been settled. We've paid 22 crores and closed the entire issue. By virtue of which, my lord, Actually, my learned friend should not have a problem because the property has come out of mortgage today. But how can he make a complaint?
You are interested in survey number 3/2. That's subject matter of suit for declaration.
My request was this, fellows. My request was this. Please accommodate me till 9th because the instructing
No,
council,
you
my
know,
lords, he had
you have
to
not
go to-
yet come into the story at all.
Yes, my lords, he had his brother is not keeping.
That's
well,
all
he had
right,
to
but you're
travel,
still the
otherwise-
impleading applicant. I can hear the
How do-
others. Why not?
But the impleading applicant also, my lords, unless my application is taken into consideration, would there be a quashment on the basis of settlement? That too in a
If
matter
you have a
which has
right to
been-
come into these proceedings.
That's the reason, my lords, I'm
No,
seeking
sir.
some time.
If you are right to come into these proceedings, you tell me. Your survey number 3/2, you have filed a suit for declaration that it is your property. So it is not yet declared. Your right is still in
My
limbo.
lords, according to them.
You are, I
my
think,
lords,
I think you are fighting on a right that is incoherent.
My lords, let me, please give me, my lords, at least have it next week, my lords. Let me ascertain this,
All
because
right.
whether my title is there or not, ultimately, if I'm able to satisfy the court, I have title on the property. 1 minute. If I have title on the property, if he has misused.
Title is to be
my lords,
decided still in a suit, sir. Now, just now, he has given the documents to the bank, so and so. Now, fraud is alleged.
Get the documents in the first place, my lords. Is he the owner of the property for him to get a
He
loan
says
on
he's the
that?
purchaser.
No, that we will see, my lords.
That is pending in a suit.
Well, let's have it on Monday or Tuesday. Let me give the documents. Have it on that day. I will at least request them to give me whatever documents
right,
that they
yes.
have, because the advocate is coming back on 9th, my lords. I'll ask his office to arrange for
I'll
it.
take it on 25th.
Please, my lord.
Yes. List on 25th.
Next week, I've
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
I'm not in the country for a week.
ಅವರು not in the country. ಆಯ್ತು, 2nd July, 3rd July, finally.
Well, let's put it after 9th, then, my lords. I'll have the advantage of having the briefing council also. my lords.
But it's only one issue, my lord. It's only
9th,
one
after
document. What is the
9th.
suit about?
Now, if it is going to be after 3rd and 9th, when the council is in US for his brother's treatment, my lords.
ಆಯ್ತು, 10th ತಗೊಂಬೋಣ.
10th ಗೆ.
10th in the fresh matters list, interim order subsisting in any of these cases shall continue to the next date.
Oblige, man, oblige.
27.
Vacating stay.
Appearing for petitioner, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, cause list 3 allo connected.
Ah.
List number 3 allo connected matter ಇದೆ madam. Serial number
List number
68.
ಇದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Cause list 3.
List number 3 connection ಏನು?
58 serial number. Say, 2 complaints, my lord, the checks were mismatched at the time of filing. So I'm a complainant, I filed an application, my lord. My lord.
We'll take it along with 58 in the second list. Yes, pass over. ನೀವು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದು ಒಂದು ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅವ್ರದ್ದೊಂದಿದೆ.
ಓ, ನಿಮ್ದೊಂದಿದೆಯಾ? ನಿಮ್ದೇನು?
Not for cancellation, my lord.
ಈಗ bail is granted, is it?
Yes, for another co-accused, my lord. For our
You are,
for our
what are you challenging here?
My lord, not challenging, we are seeking for uncity bail, your lordship.
Anticipatory bail.
Uncity bail.
Bail was granted to one,
Interim
rejected for the
order is
other.
already-
Grant ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು
On
ನಾವು
parity they are asking.
Yes, my lord, on parity, the same principle, my lord, it applies. My lord, fact is, my lord, this petitioner was arrested by SIT. My lord, charge sheet has been filed. He has been arrested.
ನಾನೇ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ 2-3 ಆರ್ಡರ್.
Your lordship, my lord, permitting for the additional area of investigation, my lord, for that we
So
are
has landed
applying
you in CBI charge sheet now.
Yes. Now already they have filed the charge sheet also. Petitioner has already joined for investigation, my lord. And he has cooperated for investigation.
Anticipatory bail ಇಲ್ದೇನೆ you joined
The
investigation.
interim order, my lord, was passed. My lord, month of January it is. My lord, he has.
Interim protection.
Yes. 15th, my lord, he had appeared before the investigation officer and cooperated for investigation. Now charge sheet is also filed. And now he has to appear before the court, my lord. He is already appearing before the court, my lord.
Yes, President Kumar.
Not by virtue of your lordship's order, not in view of not the interim relief granted to him, not we had no option but to continue the investigation. What we have filed is not interim report, not to the court. Not there are two important aspects not which needs to be investigated where there is absolutely no cooperation from the other side. Now, number one, not during the investigation we have recorded photographs and videos to indicate from their mobile, not the stash of cash not being counted or not exchanged. not in bundles, which may not, there is absolutely no explanation from anybody, though it has been recovered from their mobile. Number one. Number two, not the money trail may not, when we started investigating, it may not goes to account of a lady in Mumbai, who in her document claims to be wife of Manod B. Nagendra, the then minister.
Yaru?
The
Wife?
she claims in the certain documents which we have recovered not in Mumbai apartment that she is wife of so and so. But there is absolutely again no explanation. Not she has received some
Explanation
2.5
of being a wife or money?
Not 2.5 crores, not money. Not we are not concerned about she
yes,
claiming
yes.
in any sort of
I was
relationship.
about to ask why CBI bothered, whose wife is it?
No, not on that aspect. No. But money has gone, not 2.5 crores. But there is absolutely no explanation, no cooperation. But unless this money trail and explanation not is offered, but the investigation, the effective investigation may not be concluded.
So, oh, thank you, sir. Wait, this submission won't work. Yes.
These are the two important aspects which needs to be answered. And unless not custodial interrogation not is done.
You are cooperating with the investigation.
We have appeared, my lord. Lordship may kindly see, as per this order, appeared.
No,
not
a
only
coordinate
once-
bench has granted protection.
Yes, on the ground that since there is already an order in favor of the co-accused, I will hear day to day.
Co-accused is granted anticipatory bail. Who are you appearing for?
Not
With him. Oh, all right.
Lord, the points which was considered to grant bail for co-accused, will Lordship may kindly see that order, my lord.
Which
so happened.
Yes,
One petition
that's
filed by one of the accused was assigned to MLA special court. Another petition went to CBI regular court. It was heard. The CBI regular court
has granted anticipatory bail.
Dismissed, and the
this
MLA special court would grant.
Oh, that is dismissed. The special court grants.
Lord, this petitioner had been arrested, interrogated. Lord, ED also arrested. And he
Not
is
by us
appearing
in this
before the
case.
court. My lord, CBI are not concerned to it. This CBI affair, my lord, only against officials. And my lord, your lordship permitted only the extended area of investigation, my lord. That. And for that also he has appeared. He has explained this transaction. It is a loan transaction. It is his stand. My lord, whatever it may be, my lord, let them prove. But the fact, my lord, he had appeared, he had cooperated for investigation. Kindly see, my lord, paragraph 89 of Maitre's case. When the accused has joined for investigation, my lord, in on-city bail has to be considered. That is, my lord, that he is not absconding. He will appear now.
You
Even
appear
any
at the investigation. You cooperate with the investigation.
Yes.
Yes, Prasanna Kumar.
And all that they say is, you can't ask me any questions. I'll appear. I'll keep quiet. You can't force me to answer it.
No, that is
No,
not
no, no,
cooperating
not-
with
my
the.
lord,
But I was here.
It is not, my lord.
I
It
was
is not
here.
Who is
said
the
like that.
investigating officer?
The investigating officer.
All right.
It is
That's
not
why I
said
asked
like
him.
that. He has cooperated. He has explained every transaction. He has, even now he will go and explain. He has taken a stand, my lord. They cannot force him to confess that it was given. That it is, to say has to be recorded.
No, if you don't cooperate with the investigation and remain silent, I will permit custodial interrogation.
You Lakshmi kindly see question of cooperation, my lord, it is totally a misnomer. It is that kind of words, my lord. It cannot be. He has appeared. He has cooperated.
No,
He has cooperated means, my
you
lord.
appear and going and standing there will not. You have to at least answer the questions that are asked.
My lord, my lord, accused will appear. Let his statement be recorded and produced before the court.
Yes,
I will ask
produce
him
it.
tomorrow, my lord.
Yes.
He will appear.
The petitioner,
His statement may be
the
recorded.
petitioner accused
He will, my lord, he will give his statement.
heard the learned senior counsel Hasmat Pasha appearing for the petitioner. The coordinate bench had protected the petitioner from being taken any coercive steps in the garb of investigation. The learned senior counsel submits that the petitioner has joined investigation and has cooperated with the same, while the learned counsel P. Prasanna Kumar on instructions would dispute the same, that the petitioner is not cooperating with the investigation. Therefore, the petitioner shall appear before the investigating officer on Tuesday at 11 a.m. and 11 a.m. The transcripts of the investigation that is conducted on the said day be placed before the court on the next date, list the matter on 25th in the fresh matters list. The protection that is granted with the coordinate bench shall continue to the next date of hearing.
You know, should we say the petitioner in this case and respondent in the other one.
Same or?
Different accused.
ಅದನ್ನ ಅದೇ ಯಾಕೆ ಇವ್ರದಾಯ್ತು. Now come to this.
This one.
ಇದರದಾಯ್ತು. ನಿಮ್ದು 25th.
Yes.
Now which is this?
This is the co-accused.
Now this B. Nagendra is granted bail, is it? Anticipatory bail.
Let him also will not come and.
Who appears for him?
My lords, I'm appearing from, we have engaged the senior counsel for
No
some
problem, sir.
inconvenience.
I'll allow the petition now. Once more, if you make this submission, you engage the senior counsel and is not here.
My lords, just one.
No, sir. Yes.
Let him
What's the
also
matter?
come and not here.
I'll
Let him explain. Same order may not.
cancel the bail that is granted now. You should be ready or your senior counsel should be ready here. The matter is listed not for that. Yes. Yes. What's the matter?
Not,
What's wrong with the bail granted?
not same issues, not with reference to this respondent also.
Hmm.
Not he is a man where may not money, he was
Hmm.
the minister, money from not the accounts would land not in the account of a woman, not in Mumbai, who may not has used the money for purchasing certain ornaments.
Hmm.
Not now she has also obtained anticipatory bail, she is not traceable. Not,
Yaro, the
the two
lady.
men may not in Mumbai, and may not the respondent herein is not cooperating.
My lords, I
And there are
asked for a
documentary
short-
evidence to indicate that she has claimed not in certain apartments in Mumbai that she is wife of the respondent here.
Lords, I asked for a short passover if that is possible.
Pass over. Let him.
Please.
Yes.
My lords, I asked for a short passover.
Why, sir? What have you challenged?
Discharge petition, my lord.
Huh?
The respondent herein was discharged by the special court.
Challenges for a discharge, against a discharge.
Yes, my lord.
Who has been discharged?
Accused number 8, the respondent herein, he was discharged. My lord, see,
Yes. Pass over.
Here for petitioner's counsel. On this matter, my lord, the burning of effigy, protest against, my lord, the price increase for fuel. Lord,
Interim order ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
interim order ಇದೆ. The lordship, my lord, last time observed that interim order may be made absolute, my lord.
It's a detailed interim order.
Detailed interim order. It's only.
Yes, madam.
Fundamental right, my lord, protest. Similar case has been quashed by this honorable court, my lord. Criminal petition 3635, burning of effigy.
That is chief ministers.
Yes, my lord. Recent.
Heard the learned senior counsel Arun Sham appearing for the petitioner. Then court ಮಾಡಿ allowed quashed. Right order.
Article 19(1), my lord.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ? ಕೊಡಿ. Give it.
Right to protest, my lord. That.
ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಟಿರಿ.
My lord, unlawful assembly. That is our charge, offense.
The interim order Dikshit sir is quite detailed. Yes.
Great.
Next.
Orders 31.
My lords, I appear for respondent number 8 to 10, please, my lords.
Then appeals.
Yes, my lord. Respond number 4 is company.
Your lordship,
Huh?
Respond number 4 is a company.
Hmm.
Not at served because in that address, my lord, it's the company is not available.
Hmm.
On number 5 and 6, my lord, they are the director of the company.
managing director of the.
Managing the director. One of the respond number.
Yes, Bharat.
My lords, I appear for respondent number 8 to 10, please, my lords.
Hmm.
I have not been served with a copy, my lords. It's an acquittal order which has been challenged by the.
Against the acquittal.
Yes, sir, please.
The petitioner to serve set of appeal papers upon Bharat Kumar V representing respondents 8 to 10.
Your lordship, the respondent number 4's representative was left out the company, your lordship.
Hmm.
And the 5 and 6 as the managing director of the company.
Hmm.
So the both will represent the company.
All right.
This one.
Learned counsel appearing. Our copy ಇದೆಯಾ?
A copy of sir.
Right, sir. Yes.
And respondent number 1 and 2 also
10th,
I have.
10th July. Yes. Next.
Obliged.
Grateful.
I appear for. My discharge application has been rejected.
Discharge rejected.
Out.
Hmm.
But initially, there are 8 accused. The first petitioner is a company.
There's an interim order.
There is an interim order.
Hmm.
First
Yes,
petition.
Prasad, you ready?
Yes, it's serial number 34 and 48, my lord, this against the senior counsel. Similar set of issues are the.
ಯಾವ
all cases.
34, 48?
34, serial number 34.
ಈಗ senior counsel engage ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, my lord, 34 is.
We'll take the 34 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ತಗೋಣ.
Similar set of facts, my lord, they are all urging similar set
ಆಯ್ತು.
of.
34 ಕರೀರಿ. In which, sir? 34. ಆಯ್ತು. Yes. All 34.
Batch of petition.
Yes. Senior ಯಾರಿಗೆ respondent ಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇವರಿಗೆ SIT. Start then.
But in my
Appeals
case-
are petition, criminal petitions.
Petitions, discharge, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Discharge is rejected.
Reject, mine is discharge is rejected.
ನಿಮ್ದು
482.
ಅದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ 15-16 ಕೇಸ್.
Your lordship heard the matter and it's supposed for judgment after the release that it's a 420 and private complaint also there.
ತಾವು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್ 34 ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
34 ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಸೀನಿಯರ್ 34 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ?
34 ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
34.
ಎಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದೆನ್.
ನಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್ ನಾನು ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್
34 ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋಣ ನಿಮ್ಮ.
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು?
ಎಸ್ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಸರ್.
I may be permitted to argue, my lord, because we have filed
34.5.
Detailed synopsis.
I've heard these matters earlier, I guess.
Earlier,
Yes.
in fact, your lordship had
Because
granted
my
interim
notes
order.
ಇದೆ. Yes, anyway.
Interim order tave kotti. Lordship may kindly take the synopsis in 34.5. That is 11,964 of 24.
ಇದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್
You come here, no?
ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್. Murthy sir, we'll do it this way. There is another third list in which fresh matters are there. I'll finish that and here start hearing these matters.
Please.
ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಸರ್? 2:30? 2:30.
Only two grounds, my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು, whatever.
One is of
2:30 will take.
limitation.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ,
I will
ಅವ್ರು
take,
ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಇದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
will take some time, my lord, because there are
Take
5
some time
matters.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
Allah, because my learned friend wanted some accommodation, that's it.
No, that's all right. You will take some time ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
For these matters.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು?
To argue around 5 minutes each.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Yes.
Because my learned friend wanted some
No problem.
accommodation. That's the reason.
Now go to the third list.
List number 3, fresh matters. Still number 1.
We'll come back to the second list, Amal.
One submission, my lord. Serial number 33. That has.
In
not-
which?
List 2 itself.
I'm coming back to the list to wait.
Yes.
Any mention later.
Fresh matters, still number 1.
Nitin,
The state has filed the vacating stay, permanent disability school ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅದೇ that
ಸರಿ.
confetti spray. Yes. Pass over.
Still number 2.
Yes, Devraj.
No, this is a case of cancellation of bail, my lord. I had to run and come, I'm sorry. I had to run and come, I'm sorry.
No problem. Relax.
No, this is a case of cancellation of bail.
Cancellation of bail.
Yes. For registration of a second FIR. Matter was listed day before yesterday, my lords. I was taken into custody after my bail got cancelled in the, after my bail
What
got
was the
cancelled.
second offense?
My lord, I'm just passing along a note.
Kodi.
Lord, case number 1 is 307 attempt to murder.
All right.
504.
So no
507.
adene.
Identical.
When were you granted bail?
Lord, I was granted bail on 19/6/2024.
20?
24.
22.
24. Lord.
24.
Lord, in the second case also I was granted bail.
Bail.
Yes.
When?
Lord, 8/8/2024. That is at Annexure E.
Now this bail granted in 169 of 24 stands cancelled?
Yes, Lord.
That is what is under challenge. The reason for cancellation is crime number 229. Who granted bail in 229? Coordinate bench or the regular court?
Lord, coordinate.
Date?
Lord,
8/8/24.
8/8/25.
Where do I get the where do I get the order?
Lord, Annexure E, Manoj, page 41.
Page 41 is Sessions Court.
Yes, Manoj.
ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಬೇಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
Yes, second one will ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Heard the learned counsel. The petitioner is before the court. ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? The petitioner is before the court calling in question an order of the concerned court dated 24/1/2026, which cancels the bail granted in crime number 169 of 2024 on the score that the petitioner, after his enlargement on bail, has indulged in identical offences which has become a crime in crime number 229 of 2024. Heard, so and so. The petitioner gets embroiled in a crime in crime number 169 of 2024, which is registered on 12/5/2024 for offences punishable under section 307, 504, 506 of the IPC. The petitioner was taken into custody and was later enlarged on bail on 19/6/2024 in criminal miscellaneous 5205 of 2024. After the enlargement on bail, the prosecution files an application seeking cancellation of bail granted in crime number 169 of 2024 on the score that the petitioner has got himself embroiled in another crime in crime number 229 of 2024 for offences punishable under section 109, 1152, 1181 inter alia. The application of the prosecution merits acceptance at the hands of the concerned court, and the bail so granted in crime number 169 of 2024 stood cancelled. The cancellation of which has driven the petitioner to this court in the subject petition. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the strength on which the cancellation of bail in crime number 169 of 2024 has happened is no longer in subsistence, as the very court of session has granted the bail in crime number 229 of 2024 hyphen the subsequent crime. Therefore, the present petition, the order of cancellation of bail must be set aside. Per contra, the learned HCGP would accept the fact that the concerned court has granted bail in crime number 229 of 2024 and would leave the decision to the hands of this court. I have given my so-and-so. The aforenarrated facts lie in a narrow compass whether the order of cancellation of bail would stand sustenance today. It is an admitted fact that the petitioner gets embroiled in a crime in crime number 169 of 2024 for offence punishable under section 307 inter alia. The petitioner is enlarged on bail on 19/6/2024, it having been granted by the concerned court. After his enlargement on bail, the prosecution files an application on the score that the conditions of bail are violated, as the petitioner has got himself embroiled in a subsequent crime in crime number 229 of 2024. Crime number 229 of 2024 also ends up in grant of a regular bail to the petitioner by the order of the page 41 alla?
41. Annexure E.
By the order of the concerned court. The order reads as follows, page 45, madam, 45 in the 48. If the petitioner has been granted bail in the subsequent crime, the cancellation of bail on the ground that the subsequent crime is registered will not hold water. In that light, for the reason that the petitioner has already been granted bail in crime number 229 of 2024, The bail that stands cancelled in crime number 169 of 2024 stands obliterated. The bail that is granted stands restored. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೇ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು.
I've been taken to judicial custody. So really.
For again, why? In
After-
this,
yes, after the
in the
bail.
light of the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner pursuant to the cancellation of bail has been taken into judicial custody, notwithstanding the bail being granted in crime number 229 of 2024, shall be released from prison. Forthwith, the registry is directed to communicate this order to the prison authorities to enable his release on restoration of bail. Next.
Number 3.
But this is a case, my lord, where the witnesses have been implicated as accused number 1 and 2.
ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಏನಿದೆ?
No, the agreement entered into between the second respondent and the complainant is cancelled. That too, my lord, by giving a complaint before the superintendent of police Tumkur. The lord, and the same is.
You were witnesses.
Witnesses.
Witnesses for what?
For an agreement of sale.
ಅದೇ ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್?
I have produced along with the memo.
ಮೆಮೋನಾ?
Please.
Which memo? ಈ ತರನಾ?
Open court alle the other day open.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮೆಮೋ.
Sorry.
ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಏನು?
Agreement is dated 1/1/2021, my lord, and it is cancelled on 18/12/2025.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ಕೆಂಪರಾಜು.
Kemparaju Chandra.
ಆಮೇಲೆ?
Chandrana.
ಚಂದ್ರಣ್ಣ.
Please, my lord. There is one more witness, Mailarappa, who happened to be the close relative of the second respondent.
The petitioners are accused. ಏನ್ accused, Ramesh?
1 and 2.
Petitioners are arrayed as accused number 1 and 2. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the issue involved in the list is with regard to an agreement of sale entered into between accused number
3 and the
accused number 3 and the complainant. The petitioners are only attesting witnesses to demonstrate the said factum of the petitioners being attesting witnesses.